you trying to do today?
Oh, Mommy.
No, try it yourself. Use your thumbs. Use your thumbs.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Use your thumbs. It'll help. Now rip it. Oh, there you go. Use your thumbs. More. Yeah. Use your thumbs to let it move it. Yeah, that's a good job. See? Use your thumbs more. It helps. Use your thumbs. Pinch it. Good job. Good job. That's why you have thumbs, to help you, okay? That's what your thumbs are for. It's to help you. Such a beautiful day outside.
No.
Oh, you opened it. There you go. Good job. Let me help you throw the trash away, okay? Let's put it in some kind of a bag. Oh, no. You don't need the wrapper. Come on.